We are less than 24 hours away from the official start of spring, but another potential nor'easter is on the horizon. Trouble 13 out earlier today as crews were getting ready for the storm, pre-treating roads. Live look outside right now. This will be the fourth nor'easter to move up the coast this month alone. WJZ is live with a team of reporters. We'll begin with Bob Turk and Meg McNamara tracking the system and the potential impact. Bob.
Beautiful afternoon and thinking this cannot be happening. There's no way we could get snow or anything out of this. As warm as it was today, we got up to 58 degrees, which is above normal. Right now, take a look at radar. There's a batch of moisture, all a form of rain southwest of us. It's eventually moving into somewhat colder air in our region later tonight. So after 3, 4 in the morning, when temperatures are back in the mid-30s, we can probably see a mixed precipitation bag. Right now, we're at 55 degrees, 43 at Ocean City, 63 in Cumberland, and 48 out in Oakland. But tomorrow, believe it or not, I mean, it doesn't seem possible, to be honest with you. We've got a winter weather advisory, all of northern sections of Maryland, and that's Tuesday morning through the evening hours. And believe it or not, another system will be impacting the region on Wednesday. It's two separate areas of precipitation. And on Wednesday, winter storm watch for almost the entire area, even a winter storm warning for far western Maryland. And Meg is looking just what that means for the region between late tonight, tomorrow, and on Wednesday. Meg?
Hi, Bob. Yes, so two different systems, but they're really bumped up against each other. So we're not going to get a lot of reprieve in between the two. So tonight, after midnight, we can expect some rain and sleet to move in. Now, keep in mind, temperatures are going to be dropping throughout the day tomorrow. So more like during the day, we're expecting some of this rain and sleet to turn over to snow based on the colder temperatures. Wednesday, though, is our best chance for the bulk of this snow to move through based on the colder air and continuous moisture that we are expecting. And that's going to lead to some pretty significant potential snowfall totals across the state. So up to a foot is possible here for these areas of purple here, these areas of blue, 6 to 8 inches for this northern tier of the state. And then you'll notice the city of Baltimore, we're expecting 4 to 6 inches, as is most of central Maryland, besides this northern area that, yes, could see up to 8. So pretty significant numbers. Of course, the ground is pretty warm at this point. We'll time out what you can expect coming up in your full forecast. Mary?
Megan, Bob, thank you both. Now let's check in with Ava Joy Burnett live in Baltimore County with the preparations underway for the storm. But you are still in the sunshine, Ava Joy.
No jacket right now, Mary, but do not get too comfortable. That's our warning to you. We're with the WJZ Mobile Weather Lab right now. Temps right around 50. Very light winds. It feels really great out here, but things are about to change in the next 24 to 48 hours, and that's exactly what the State Highway Administration is warning us about.
Here we go again. Salt and brine line the highways as the region gets ready for another blast of winter, and we're just hours away from spring.
I guess the weather can't make up its mind right now.
This is the fourth time the East Coast has seen a system like this in just a matter of weeks, and the State Highway Administration has dispatched crews to pre-treat the roads, but this system may be tricky. If the road temperatures dip below 32 degrees for an extended period of time, precipitation could freeze Tuesday into Wednesday and create a commuter's nightmare. So as always, you're being warned to slow your roll.
The speed limits are set for dry conditions, and these aren't going to be dry conditions, so, keep your speeds down a bit.
And this is going to be a nor'easter, right? So with that comes the winds. Right now with the WJZ Mobile Weather Lab, take a look at this. Right around 3 or 2 miles per hour, really light winds, but that could change in the next 24 to 48 hours. And you really have to be careful with those overpasses and the bridges. Live tonight in Towson, Ava Joy Burnett for WJZ.
Ava Joy, thank you. And be sure to check in with WJZ tomorrow morning starting at 4:30 with Denise and Marty. They will have the updated forecast along with any closings or delays. And remember to download WJZ's weather app to keep track of our changing weather. Get hourly, daily, and extended forecast plus severe weather warnings. Just search WJZ Weather and get our app.